You can see Detroit. I'm gonna take you on a little walk. They call it the Southwest Greenway. You can see Canada right there. And then downtown Detroit. So if you wanna take a nice cold winter walk with me, check out some graffiti at the end. I thought I saw something. Anyways, you'll see some graffiti at the end. If you like this video at the end, please give me a like. And like I was saying, they call this the Southwest Greenway. And so there's Canada right there. We're gonna be going straight. Take a little walk. It's a cold winter day. Sometimes it's hard to deal with the winters, especially here in Michigan. So even though it's cold, I try to get outside to do something. So this street right here, if you're familiar with Detroit, this is 4th Street. And then over here is Rosa Parks Boulevard. So if you're interested in checking this out, it's by 4th and Rosa Parks Boulevard. It's about 25 degrees and the Lions are playing. I think they're up 10-3 in the second quarter. The Assembly, they just renovated that building. I think that's an office building. Could be condos. You'll see some graffiti up here in a couple minutes. But as you can see, you know, there's not a lot of people out here. But in the summertime, there's obviously more people. And you can see like the blue things right here. The thing that was, I think it was blinking. That's for emergencies. So it's very safe. And I don't ever hear anybody having any problems around here. The city actually built this walkway along with some other ones. It connected them all. I believe it's 27 miles total, but I'm just gonna turn. This would be technically like the beginning, but you could take this. This goes for really far. We're just gonna go right over here and check out some graffiti. But if I was on a bicycle, I mean, I could go for about 25 miles, starting from right here, I believe, on these paths. But they got a lot of cool artwork up there. Yeah, I'm really hoping that the Lions win. It'd be nice to see a Super Bowl win for Detroit. You know, that's doesn't even sound right saying that because the Lions have been so rough over the last couple of years. A lot of years, actually. See a little bit of graffiti right there, but that's more like illegal graffiti. Somebody probably climbed the fence right there. But like I said, like, you know, you have the emergency things right there. So it's pretty safe here. It's kind of by downtown. Some people like the snow here. Some people don't. Yeah, some people taking some videos over there. That right there, I believe that's a parking structure. Yeah. See, some of these buildings they renovate, and I can't tell if they're parking structures or condos or whatever. That actually looks like a pretty cool building. But like, you got some people up here taking some photos, so it's very safe. If you like graffiti, you're gonna like this stuff coming up here. They call it the Yard, Southwest Graffiti Museum. Sometimes I run into people around here, people that I know. But if you look at the descriptions after you're done with this, watching this video, I'll put my Instagram, because I do Instagram, I do photography and all that. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, you'll see a lot of this stuff, and you know, I do a lot of photography with people too. And you know, everything from, I was into family photography for a little bit. Do a lot of the fashion photography, city photography, but you see all this graffiti right here. He actually passed away, Teed. That guy fell. He fell from a roof But he wasn't doing illegal graffiti at that time. He was doing something else, I believe. But you can see some nice stuff. Try to go a little bit slow. That's some cool work. I'm gonna come back through and take some photos too, so that'll be a nice photo. We've got some talented, this is the guy Teed. Got a lot of talented artists in Detroit. Not only graffiti artists, but you know, regular artists too. You know, as far as, you know, paintings and stuff like that. Detroit's a big art city. Oh wow, that's a big one. I'll step back. That's huge. I'm gonna go back around on the other side and show you some more graffiti. It is cold though. You could see, kind of see my breath. Good artist. Come back around here on the other side, and I'm just gonna make a right and then go back around. But you see how it continues on, and if you have a bike, or you know, just walking, if you want to continue walking, there's just miles and miles of trails. You don't see the graffiti like this everywhere, but I mean, just for biking. And you can see, like up here, some of this older stuff was here before, because this used to be all blocked off. Like back in the day when I first got my driver's license years ago, there used to be illegal graffiti right under here and here, but none of this really existed. I don't think it did. And you can see the emergency thing right there. So you never really, rest in peace, see right there. You never really feel danger around here. It's pretty safe. But that's the artist I was telling you about. And he was good too. I think he was about 35 years old when he passed. So see here, I'll show you this. That's where I am. I almost fell. I like some of the older graffiti too. I'm gonna end this video in about a minute. Let me know what you think about the video, about the graffiti here in Detroit. If you liked this video, please give me a like. It is very, very, very cold. You can see, that's all ice right there. Yep, so this is it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I love subscribers. Please subscribe. I try to get to the comments as soon as possible. I'm gonna do my best to discipline myself to be better at that. So if you leave a comment, please be patient, and I'll try to get back as soon as possible. And let me know what you think. Thank you.